am so excited to check out this new chandelier I ordered. Always a good sign when you order a chandelier and the initial box is housing another box that says, "Fragile, please handle with care." Now it does even tell you open this end so you know how to carefully open it and review the contents. Okay. Our crystals are labeled, which will make it very easy. I can see that they are all assembled in the same direction. So it appears that they are all evenly spaced, which will be really convenient for assembly. Yeah, everything looks like it's labeled. C, D. It looks like a very nice chrome. Let's get this out of here, shall we? It appears there is an adjustable down rod, which will be helpful to determine the length that we want it to come down from the ceiling. Everything is individually wrapped, therefore you have less chances that things are going to rub together and get scratched up. So we have this nice polished finish without any mars. Completely perfect. By the way, I do like how these are curved around. It's just kind of a neat design. It's time to get it assembled.
How many engineers does it take to screw in a light fixture? One! Voila! We have life. Not life but life.